The first thing that's always the hardest is change, and not only change management from a network or infrastructure perspective, but also change management from a human perspective in regards to this is a different way that we can do this, and there has to be some adoption that, and looking at risk and then starting to be able to feel as if that this is something that can be trusted as a connectivity tool, and that probably was the hardest thing to get everyone to take the time to understand the technology, to say, okay, based on this, this is something we could trust. After that, the rest of it, mostly, if anything, has more to do with interoperability of different systems, i.e., for example, one of the things that I think people struggle with is if they're using IoT devices that are on LoRaWAN, how are you then taking those LoRaWAN devices and backhaul or bringing that into your private wireless network? And then secondly, with the different LoRaWAN type sensors that have different subscription-based web portals from different vendors, and trying to figure out a way to aggregate that into one centralized location so you don't have disparate dashboards all over trying to monitor different types of sensors, I think was the biggest part of that. But those are challenges or hurdles that we overcame pretty quickly.